Guys, all right, this is not your average smartwatch. This is the Rogbid M2. This is part watch, part tank, and part personal trainer. It's got tungsten steel armour. It's got GPS so accurate it could probably find your car in a huge car park, and more fitness features than I've got excuses for skipping the gym. So if you like tech that looks cool and that can survive just about anything, you're going to want to see this. So stick around and find out just how cool this watch really is. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Rogbid M2, and honestly, this thing feels like it was designed by somebody who thought, yeah, let's make a smartwatch, but also make sure it could survive an apocalypse. It's got military grade toughness, over 100 sports modes, GPS that's scary accurate, and a design that looks like it walks straight out of a Transformers movie. Now, before we get into it guys, Rogbid reached out and asked me to take a look at this M2 smartwatch and to give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have the watch. And wow, the first thing you notice is the weight and feel of this. This tungsten steel frame, it's cold, solid, and premium. There's also a magnetic charger. Now, it's proprietary, right? So this is my pet hate, right? One of these proprietary magnetic that don't really stick on and magnetize very well, but it's one of those proprietary cables. But you know what? It's not uncommon on devices like this. You also get some paperwork and you get a screen protector, so that's pretty cool. Now, first impressions, this feels like a mix between a luxury timepiece and a piece of military kit. Very rugged and definitely not flimsy. Looking around the watch, you've got the crown, which is the standout feature. It's got a nice click to it. Don't know if you can hear that. You can push it, click it, and yeah, you know what? It helps you control the things that you don't want to swipe for. Now guys, where do I start? Because you know what? There is a lot going on in here. First of all, this unibody tungsten steel case is 10 times harder than stainless steel. Yeah, 10 times harder. I mean, you can probably open a bottle with it, right? But don't test that out, right? It's also corrosion resistant. It's triple plated so it stays looking sharp, and the 1.6 inch edge to edge display is bright, and I'm talking 1500 nits of bright, and all of that translates into you being able to see it in full sunlight without squinting. Now, what about the engine room? Well, inside this bad boy you get an Aura chipset with dual frequency GPS and 6 satellite systems. You can plan your route on your phone, send it to your watch, and even use it offline. And thanks to Chorus trajectory optimization, yeah, that's a mouthful, your tracking stays smooth even if you're running through forests, mountains, or that one alley in town where your phone usually loses signal. Now, like all smartwatch users, we want to track some kind of fitness and well-being, right? But the M2 takes that to the next level with over 100 professional sports modes like triathlon, trail run, swimming, hiking, yoga, mountaineering, mountaineering, rope skipping, another one, rope skipping. It's all in there. Plus, it's smart enough to filter out fake movements so your stats don't get mixed up. Now, on the health side, guys, it's got good heart rate, blood oxygen, and by the way, it looks pretty damn cool, right? But yes, it's got heart rate, blood oxygen, mood tracking, fatigue analysis, and full sleep tracking. I mean, deep sleep, light sleep, REM, basically everything except telling you why you stayed up watching YouTube until 3 a.m. You also get all of your favorite apps like alarms, stopwatch, calendar, altitude, music playback. You get voice assistant, you get remote camera control, and you know what, guys? A ton more. And battery life, well, you get days without having to get that charging cable out. I mean, how many days? Well, more than an Apple Watch by a country mile. And it's waterproof up to 3 ATM, which means swimming, surfing. We don't do a lot of surfing in the UK. Got to go to Cornwall for that. Getting caught in the rain and all of that is no problem. It's also passed 15 military grade tests, including extreme heat and extreme cold. I mean, honestly, this watch might be tougher than my willpower at the kebab shop. So guys, there you have it, the Rogbid M2. If you want a smartwatch that's sleek, ridiculously tough, packed with features and just looks cool, this could be your next wrist upgrade. From tracking your next marathon to helping you find your way back from the pub, it's got you covered. And guys, at the time of this video, this cool smartwatch isn't available to buy yet, but it is available on Kickstarter, so you could be one of the first to own one. I'll leave any links to that page in the description, and if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Rogbid for sending me this cool and rugged piece of kit to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.